Hello everyone, my name is Shaurya Tomar and welcome back to my channel Curious Shaurya. Friends, today I am going to show you that how to make a drawing game in Scratch. So friends, if you want to learn Scratch, so like and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. First, I will show you the demo of this game. To start the game, I will click on this. So friends, I will make a hut on this canvas. Friends, I am make a hut there. Now I will make window and I want to change the color of door. So I will select yellow. Friends, I want to erase the corner. So I will click on erase and erase the corner and we make it. And if I want to erase all the drawing, so you can click on erase all. So all drawing has been disappear. So friends, now let's make the game. So first we have to open Scratch and I have opened Scratch in my browser. Now then create. First I will go to the sprite costumes. Now delete first costume and now the pic and I will also change its name. I will make it pen. First I will go to add extension. Now I will add pen here. First I will go to event, then where green flag click and then pen, erase all. Now I will select set pen size to 10. It means when we click on this flag, the all drawing and color has been disappeared and the pen size will be 10. Now I will also select color. I will select red color. And if you want, so you can also select any color. Now I will go to control. Now forever I will go to motion. I will put here go to mouse pointer. It means when we draw, so the pen color will move with the mouse pointer. Now I will go to control. I will drag here if then else sensing and then we have to put here mouse down. Now I will go to pen. I will put there pen down and in S pen up. Now I will friends. It means when we green flag click, our pen size will be set on 10 and the pen color will be set on red color and I have put there forever. It means go to mouse pointer. If mouse down, then pen down as pen up. It means forever block means to doing a same thing repeated. So it means the drawing will go with our mouse pointer that will be forever. And if then mouse down, then means if our mouse will down, so our pen will also down, else it will pen up. Now I will show you the demo. So friends, you can see when my mouse down, so the pen also down and else my pen up. So it is working. Now when I will click on green flag, so you can see it will be erased. So it is working. Now I will make a sprite and name it light green. Now I will go to this circle. Now I will select its color to light green. Now I am make this circle and I will set its size to 40. First I will go to when and drag here when green flag click. Now go to motion and go to x minus 185 and y minus 166. Now I will go to event, drag here when display click, go to broadcast and write message light green. And now I will go to pen and I will drag here. When I receive light green, now go to pen. I will drag here, set pen color to green. So it means when we select this sprite, I will show you. First it is red. Now I will click on this sprite, so the pen color changes. So it means we have two colors. Red color is permanent and green color we can add by doing. Now it is working. Now I will duplicate this sprite, but I will change its position. That will be minus 166 will be same, but we have to put here minus 82. So its position has been selected. Now I will go to its costume and I will change its color. So I will make it blue. So now I have also changed this color. Now I will go to this broadcast new passage and I will put here blue. Now 8 code has been completed. Now I will go to pen. I will copy this and I will write there blue. Go to this icon and then I will select this color. Now we have two colors. If you want, so you can continue with two colors, but if you want, you can add more colors. I will add more color, and now I will select its position 27 and 166. It means the all colors will in same Y, but X will be changed, because if their X will be same, so they will appear on top of this color. Now I will change its color. I will make it black. And so friends, if you want continue with black color, so you can continue, and if you want to add any color, so you can add by brush or by fill. Now first I will make broadcast black. Now I will go to pen. I will copy this side, and now I will put here black, and now I will go to this icon, and now then black. I think the three colors will be enough. Now I will make the backdrop full color. So I am make the backdrop here. If you want to make any color backdrop, so you can make. And now I will go to text. Select here white color. Now I will write here colors. Now I will increase its size. Now you are thinking that how to erase if we do any mistake. So for doing this, we have to duplicate this icon and now name it eraser. I will select its position there, minus 198 127. Now I have selected its Y. Now I will go to broadcast and make erase. When this pad click, then erase. First we have to change its color. That I will make so we have to write their tag. Now I will write here tag. First I will select the text color, that will be white. Now I will write here. Now I will increase the size, because you can see it is not clearly visible there. Now it can be visible, so it can be perfect. Now I will again go to pen. Now I will copy, but now we have to don't take this color, we have to take the backdrop color, because eraser, when we erase color, so it will be white. means the color of our canvas, and I will make it when I receive erase. So now our last code will be for erase all. I will make it 127 and positive 198 means at the opposite of this. Now I have made it erase all. First I will go to its costume, select it, then backspace, then I will select its color blue. Now we have to write their text. Now I will select their white. I will write here erase all. Now I will increase its size so it is okay and clearly visible. So now I will make new broadcast erase all. Now I will take here when this packet broadcast erase all and it will erase all that drawing. Now I will go to pen. I will duplicate it. When I receive erase all, set pen color to white, and now let's see. So now I will take green color eraser. So it is working. Now I will take blue color. Now erase all. So our game is working. So friends, our game has been completed. If you like this game, so like and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Bye.